so exciting having you here. This is our pilot instructor course, so this is world first for Fliteboard. I'll hand you over to Cyril to jump into the content.
Hey guys, where are you from?
Cyril, I'm from the Gold Coast and I work for Fliteboard as the master instructor. So the program is divided in 7 modules, from the safety, the rider welcome, the underwater experience, the debrief, and all the skills to be the best instructor.
My name's Nigel Rowden, I'm from Sydney, Australia. The training setup has been a really good experience. We're in a great location. We've got great instructors teaching all the safety and everything you need to know to be an instructor with Fliteboard. It's building good confidence levels to know that we're all on the same page as instructors of fliteboarding. It's a great sport and safety is a key aspect of fliteboarding, so it's an excellent program to keep everyone in unison about safety on fliteboarding. If you're considering joining the Fliteboard Instructor Program, I highly encourage it. It's a great way to learn the skills and the safety knowledge to enjoy fliteboarding and make it a great experience, not just for family and friends, or it could be for a commercial business that you're wanting to start up a school, and it's fantastic.